So today, ended up getting this Mazda in today, Mazda 3, for a vacuum leak. For running lean condition at idle only. I forget the code, it was a P2671. I can't remember off the top of my head. But anyways, so what we did, pretty much removed all the covers. And I hooked up the scan tool and was definitely running very lean, only on idle. Once you gave it gas, lean condition went away. So it's definitely some vacuum hose or intake manifold gasket, something was definitely leaking. So pretty much easier for me, it's a lot closer, get some brake cleaner, spray it around the intake. So sprayed it around here, right through there. Then again, no reaction. As soon as I got to this area, where this hose is at, I already fixed it. I forgot to record it before. But where this hose goes into, the bottom base, which is part of the whole intake manifold, they do not sell it separately. That little O-ring starts leaking. It's giving us that vacuum leak. So the right way to fix it would be replacing the whole intake manifold. The dealership wanted $1,200 for it, or we can get a used one. I just went ahead, talked to the customer. I told him we can do some silicone around it, seal it up, and that should hold. We're just waiting for it to dry, and that should take care of that check engine light. Again, this was on an 07 Mazda 3 with a lean condition code on item.